Today I want to talk to you more about Adventica and my thoughts and first impressions of the motorbike. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel AdvenTrisMoto. My name is Tristan. I created AdvenTrisMoto and I look forward to the journey together with you guys. Adventica, my Honda TRANSALP XL650V, I purchased after passing my license in April 2022, and we have currently done 10,000 kilometers. Today I want to talk to you more about Adventica and my thoughts and first impressions of the motorbike. I bought the Honda TRANSALP 2001 model because the reliability of Honda and the age of the motorbike, because I can fix and do the mechanics myself. I'm not a mechanic, but I can do basic mechanics on the motorbike. After purchasing Adventica, I took it to my mechanic and he had it for a few days and he gave a full service to Adventica, and he did an oil change. He also corrected the front wheel and replaced all the spokes. I then brought it home and did a replacement of the air filter, the indicators at the back, the foot pegs and the wing mirrors. We got the stock handguards and the stock windscreen. I've just included the wind buff for the top. Adventica is a 650cc motorbike, 2001 model, and the front wheel is 21 inches. I've replaced all the spokes as it had a very bad vibration to it. It also has a 19-litre tank which covers about 400 kilometers fully loaded, and this is good for long distance travel. It also has a 17-inch rear wheel. I'm currently in talks to get the suspension fitted with TFX suspension in Holland, and I'll be doing that in the winter. My first impressions when I bought the bike, I was a bit skeptical about buying a bigger bike, an older bike, but after a few hundred kilometers of riding it, I found it to be very comfortable and I really started enjoying a bigger motorbike than my previous motorbike. The vibration, it was really frustrating, but I currently made a few adjustments and took it to my mechanic and we fixed the front wheel, and therefore the vibration has reduced quite considerably. The bike I find is very comfortable on long distance travel. You don't really get that numb seat. So Adventica came fitted with the crash bars, so I didn't have to replace those. I've got the fog lights which I bought from Amazon. I will give a link below. Pretty good fog lights. And I got the Endurostan side travel bag. This is a 12-litre. This contains all my tools, first aid kit and all the mechanics of the motorbike, the tools and so on. I also got the Endurostan side panniers. They're the Monsoon 3 range. They're 42 litres and they're semi-rigid. In this one I have all the sleeping arrangements, my tent, my sleeping bag, my blankets, my pillows, and in this side pannier I have all my cooking and campsite barbecue things, my plates and cups, everything I need for eating and the making campfires and things like that. The Lone Rider 48-litre Overland bag. The reason why I went for 48 litre is because I didn't want to put a top box onto my motorbike, and I keep all my electronics in here and everything that's I need secure and safe. This is the SW Motor waterproof tank bag, and if you guys are interested, I will do a review on that later. I haven't done much to the front. I don't like the distractions while I'm riding. I've added the accessory bar, the GPS mount, the action camera mount, and the phone mount. The moment I fell in love with Adventica was probably after about 1,000 kilometers of riding it on my test ride, where I rode to Slovenia. Thanks for joining me again, and in the next adventure.